I love the topwater frog. Hello guys, I'm Dave Valtiera with Wide Open on YouTube. Do you want to be a better angler? Kayak angler? Subscribe today and learn the tricks, techniques, and kayak rigging tips to make you a better outdoorsman. Right guys, little fog rolled in. It's not going to slow me down. Let's do it. What's happening here, what's in front of me, is this is a point and it comes out. And that's a little flat. All back in there is a little flat. And where I'm at now, I'm in deep water, about 30 foot of water. So this flat comes out, it's like a shelf. It comes out and drops off into deeper water. And I always like to fish shelves, ledges, drop-offs, cuts, all of that stuff. Change in bottom type will hold fish. And I'm gonna cast it and work the edge of the drop. So I'm gonna work deep water. So I'm gonna make a cast, and I've gotta give it a few seconds. Let it dive down to the strike zone. All right, let's put it in action. All right, I think I'm at the depth I wanna fish. I'll start bringing it along that shelf. Fish on. Fish on. Monster. Monster. Whoa, whoa. All right. I gotta get this fish in. This is my biggest fish on this lake, I bet. Oh my gosh. Look at this fish. A monster. A monster from the deep. Awesome. Trophy bass right here, man. Oh yeah. Big fish. Big fish. Look at this. Oh. Right there. Oh. Oh. That's a monster. Look at this fish on Wide Open. Look at this bass. Big. Big bass. The bite has been slow. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna get the hook out. Oh my God, look at this fish. Right over here. Top of this flat. Oh, look at that, man. That's what we came for. That's a big, big bass. I'm gonna get this hook out and we're gonna measure him up. There's the hook of choice. Awesome, man, awesome. And that's the lure, man. Crawdad color did the trick, Wide Open style. Get those hooks out of here now. That's what we came for. Wide Open, outdoor adventures, big old bass, right there. Huge, monster, trophy. Look at that. Look at that! Ah! Got him! Look at that fish. That is an awesome, awesome trophy bass. Right there on the Wide Open. Right there on the Wide Open. Man. 7.8 pounds. How about them apples right there, man? I'm shaking, man. That's an awesome fish, man. All right, are you ready, big baby? Look at that. Look at that. Happy and healthy on Wide Open. That's why I fish. Follow us on Wide Open Outdoors. Subscribe today.